Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Coinbase two-factor authentication and withdrawal checks step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Coinbase website. Log into your Coinbase account using your email and password. Once logged in, locate and click on the profile icon in the upper right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select the Settings option. In the Settings menu, find the Security tab and click on it. Under the Security section, locate the Two-Factor Authentication option. Click on Edit next to the Two-Factor Authentication setting. You may be prompted to enter your password again for security purposes. After entering your password, follow the on-screen instructions to enable or verify your two-factor authentication method. If you're using the Google Authenticator app, open it and locate the Coinbase entry. If you don't have the app yet, download it from your device's app store and set it up. Scan the QR code displayed on the Coinbase screen with the app. Once scanned, the app will generate a verification code. Enter this code back into the Coinbase setup screen to confirm your two-factor authentication. Click the Verify button to finalize the process. Next, return to the main security section of your settings. Locate the Withdrawal Checks option in the Withdrawal settings. Enable withdrawal checks to add an additional layer of verification for transactions. You might receive an email or SMS verification prompt to confirm this setup. Follow the instructions provided in the email or SMS to complete the verification. Once everything is set up, review all security settings to ensure they meet your preferences. Finally, log out of your Coinbase account to secure your information. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.